Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Maverick EV charging app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Maverick EV charging app on your device. If you are using an Android device, find the app icon in your app drawer. Press and hold the Maverick app icon until a menu appears. From the menu, select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap OK to confirm the uninstallation. If you are using an iOS device, locate the app icon on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until all icons begin to wiggle. You will see an X appear on the corner of the Maverick app icon. Tap the X to initiate the uninstallation. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Delete to confirm the removal of the app. After uninstalling, check if any data remains on your device. Go to your device's settings and find the App Management section. Look for the Maverick app in the list of installed apps. If any residual data is found, you can clear it from there. This ensures that the app and its associated data are fully removed from your device. Once completed, you can safely exit the settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.